my god, they're just way too fast for this camera.
It's nice, you.
Here he comes, here he comes. Come on, Bolt, you're behind.
Good job.
Come here, tired dog, drink some water.
He still wants to play it. Come on.
Bolt, get her. Yep, tell her, let's play. Let's run.
There they go.
Oh.
They're tired.
Nope, let's go in the pool.
She.
Oh.
Look.
Careful, Bolt, you're going to fall in. Chloe. Push him in, Chloe. He'll never know it was you. Oh, the life.